This video is about 20 common proverbs that you should know. Very useful. And please like and subscribe and let's get started.
But first, what are proverbs?
A proverb is a simple saying that tells you the truth based on experience or common sense.
So the first one is absence makes the heart grow fonder. It means when you are away from somebody or something, you appreciate them more.
The second proverb is actions speak louder than words. Saying something is not as important as doing something. Just saying something doesn't do it. And the third one is a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So you must begin something. You must start something if you hope to finish it. I think you have heard this one. Beggars can't be choosers. In a bad situation, if someone helps you, if you get help, you can't not take it because you don't have an option. Beggars can't be choosers. The fifth one is better late than never. This was in the idioms video too, but it means it's better to finish something later than never. Birds of a feather flock together. So this is more like people who are similar, like alike, spend more time together. Don't judge a book by its cover. This is very common. I think you know this already. But it means don't judge someone by their appearance. So the next one is related to the single 1,000 miles begins with single step. So it is don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. So if you can do something now, why would you do it in the future? You can just do it now. The next one is don't put too many irons in the fire. Don't try to do too many things at the same time. Focus on one thing. A picture is worth 1,000 words. That I think you have heard. An image can tell a story better than words. So, image greater than words. A bird in the hand is worth two in a bush. It means what you have is better than what you might get later. Next one is enjoy it while it lasts. That's common. Make the best of a moment since it won't last forever. It won't be there forever. So enjoy it. It's no use crying over spilled milk. It's a waste of time to worry about something that can't be changed or happened already. So stop worrying about it. Next one is better safe than sorry. It's better to be careful and safe than be quick and hasty and do something you might not like and regret in the future. Early bird catches the worm. If you are early to everything, you have a higher chance of success. Look before you leap. You shouldn't act without considering the consequences. This is also a common one. Basically, use your brain. Okay. Good things come to those who wait. Patience is good and it will be rewarded. Better sour truth than a lie. Which would you prefer? A good lie, or bad truth? Truth is always better. So yeah, whatever. Two heads are better than one. It's better to have help of another person for anything. Laughter is the best medicine. Humor is good for you and your health. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A person who helps you at a difficult time is a person who you can call as a friend, a proper friend. Practice makes perfect. This is an extremely common one. If you don't know this, you should know this. Okay, anyway, it means doing an activity or skill regularly is the best way to get better at it. Practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching. These are the 20 proverbs, and I also covered what are proverbs. So, if you learn something new, share, like, subscribe, and that stuff. And bye. I'll see you in the next video. I am 1 week late by the time I uploaded this video, but bye.